Apologizing at work. It was Friday evening. The office lights were still on, but May was already halfway out the door. The project for their client, GreenTech, was finished. Or so she thought. She closed her laptop and said to herself, I'll check the upload later. Monday morning came, and so did a short email. We didn't receive the final file. John, the manager, looked up. Who handled the send off? He asked quietly. May froze. Her mind raced. Uh, 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 I, I think Peter was still working on it. Peter looked surprised. No, I sent my part on Friday. The office went silent. John said nothing, only, let's find out what happened. An hour later, May knocked on his door. John, I need to fix something. It was me. I forgot to press send. I'm really sorry. John took a breath, then nodded. Thank you for telling me. Let's call the client together. On the phone, May said, I'm sorry for the delay. It was my mistake and I take full responsibility. I'm sorry for the delay. It was my mistake and I take full responsibility. The client sighed. All right, please send it now. Let's move on. After the call, John said quietly, everyone makes mistakes, but only some people own them. You did the right thing. Now, let's pause the story for a while. May used a powerful sentence. I take full responsibility. That's a strong apology. It accepts the problem completely. Let's compare the levels of apology in business English. A weak apology sounds casual. Sorry about that. A standard apology is clear. I'm sorry for the delay. And a strong apology accepts ownership, accepts responsibility. I take full responsibility for the mistake. So, how do we build a professional apology? It usually has three parts. Part one, say sorry. I'm sorry for that, for the delay. Two, name the problem. I'm sorry for the delay, the error, the confusion. And part three, add the solution. I've sent it now and checked everything. Try it with me. I'm sorry for the mistake. I will fix it. I have double checked the file now. That's how you turn regret into action. Let's look at two common grammar patterns. We usually say, I'm sorry for something or for doing something. I'm sorry for the mistake. I'm sorry for being late. We don't say, I'm sorry about I forgot. We say, I'm sorry I forgot. Here are a few everyday business examples. I'm sorry I missed your call. I'll ring back now. I'm sorry for the confusion. I've updated the report. I'm sorry for being late to the meeting. It won't happen again. Notice that each one ends with a small promise, a small solution, something positive to repair the trust. Sometimes the boss is calm and forgiving, like John. Sometimes not. But in English speaking workplaces, what people remember most is honesty. A late file can be fixed, a broken trust takes longer. So let's practice aloud now. I should have checked the file. Now add the follow up. It won't happen again. So, altogether, I should have checked the file. It won't happen again. And I'm sorry for the delay. I take full responsibility. Strong, short, and professional. And one more time, honesty builds trust faster than excuses. So when we apologize well, we don't lose face, we gain respect. That's the real lesson behind May's story and behind every good workplace as well. See you in the next lesson.